Hola! I hope you all enjoyed your weekend. So this video is just an instruction video for you to see before you start your assignment for this week. This is a YouTube video, so if I am going too fast, make sure to pause or go back if you forget something. That's what's nice about making these type of videos on YouTube. You can do that. So remember, so before I start with the instructions, I want to do a little review of what we learned on Friday. So Friday we started learning about sequencing. Remember, sequencing is when you put things in order. And here's an example where we put things in order from when we wake up. These are pictures showing the steps of somebody that they do after they wake up, right? And when they're getting ready. So when you do this, when you put things in order, that is called sequencing. For sequence, you're putting things from beginning to middle to the end. And in order to do this, we use transition words. So transition words are these right here. Remember I said that there are way more transition words in English than these ones, but it's good to start off just learning these basic transition words for right now. Okay, so that's what sequencing is, and for your assignment this week, you're going to make a sequence story. So actually we were going to do this on Friday, but we had no more time left. So you're doing it as an assignment for this week. So I have the instructions right here for you. So I'm going to show you. So the first thing you need to do is there are pictures of dogs right here. So the first thing I want you to do is to put these pictures in order, in sequence of what is first, second, third, and fourth. Okay? Los van a poner en orden. Remember que there is no right or wrong way to do this. Use your imagination, your creativity. So what you're going to do, like let's say maybe I want this one to go first, so I'll put that one right there. I want this one to go second, third, and fourth. I'll put that one right here. So 1, 2, first, second, third, and fourth. Okay, that's my order. So after I do my order, I go on to the next step, and that is I have to now write a story based on using these pictures. Okay, you have to write a story using these pictures. And the instructions again are right here. Make sure that you write 5 sentences. You can write more, but I at least want you to write 5 sentences. And I don't want you, so I'll show you in a bit how to write that. And you need to use at least 3 different transition words in your writing. Okay, at least one for the beginning, at least one for the middle, at least one for the end. And again, just use your imagination. If you forget, here I have the slide for the transition words that you can look at. If you need help with figuring out what to put in the beginning, middle, end, I have this slide here too to help you. what should be in the beginning, what should be in the middle, what can be in the end. Some questions to think about. This is just an extra slide. So, úsenlo si necesitan saber cómo van a hacer su historia. Que deben de poner al principio, en medio y al final de la historia. Y nomás es un párrafo. Nomás tienen que escribir un párrafo. Y ese párrafo lo van a escribir aquí. Esto también es algo bien importante. So, no quiero que hagan una lista. Creo que siempre, a ver dónde está. So, hacen su oración, right? Y después hacen la otra. No quiero que escriban así. X. No, 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 no. Quiero que escriban un párrafo. Y les voy a dar un ejemplo. Quiero que escriban, un párrafo que se vea así. So en rojo tengo mis transition words. Okay, so I can know my sequence. And it goes in order, right? And it's a paragraph. That's how I want you to write it because that's how you usually write, in a paragraph. One thing to remember is if you use a transition word in the beginning, always use a comma after. Okay? Don't forget that. But this one is my story. You make your own. When you are done, you go to the last slide. And this is where you're going to record. You're going to read your paragraph. And then click on here. And you're going to record yourself. And the link, you're going to put it right here. Okay? That's your assignment for this week. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will be happy to help you. Okay? Have fun and have a good rest of your week. Yeah, I probably won't see you until Friday. So yeah.